नमस्ते, मेरा नाम मीरीना है, मैं फ्रांस से हूँ और मैं हिंदी सीख रही हूँ। So today, let's talk about a free tool that you all can use to learn Hindi is watching Bollywood movies. And I'm saying this because when I first started to have an interest in this language, I was curious to watch Bollywood movies. And apart from Namaste, I starting to recognize some small words that I was happy to pick up. So Dhanyavad and Shukriya, it's thank you basically. But between you and me, no one is using it. I mean, no one. Most Indians would say just thank you or thanks. Another way of saying, is it true or what do you mean, is like matlab. So some character is saying something, and usually the other person is saying matlab, matlab. What do you mean? What you are trying to tell me? The most common word in Hindi that I really had no choice to learn is shadi, of course. Shadi is marriage or wedding. And this is not only a word, but it's a big theme in Bollywood movies. When the female character is answering the phone, she is like very angry and she will say, Bolo, like talk. Okay, what do you want? But Bolo literally means talk, speak up. And then when the guy is asking the the lady like, "Kya hua? What happened?" She's like, kuch nahi, nothing happened. I'm fine, nothing happened. But everyone knows when a girl says nothing happened, it means for sure something happened. Okay, so last but not least, beta. Beta everywhere. And it means basically son, but also it can be used with girls in the sense of like darling or dear or a sign of affection. So if you want to learn Hindi, sign up for a free demo class with Hindustani tongue, which is the method I prefer, what I've used for the last 2 months. And believe me, I really improved my knowledge, my vocabulary, but also the way I can understand some sentences and some words much more than what I used to. So come on, sign up.